Now we'll move on to next illustration 12. Valluvar is a sole trader dealing in tech textiles. From the following transaction past journal entries for the month of March 2018. So whenever you are doing sum, think this is your own company, and simplest way to do the sum. Whatever comes in debited, whatever goes out is credited. Or remember the golden rules. Any one you can follow to do the sum very easily. The best way is golden rules to remember. But some students can't remember the golden rules. So if you don't remember the golden rules, you follow the second method, that is easy, that whatever comes in debited, whatever goes out credited. Now see the sum. March 1, what you done? You started the business. Commence means started. You started business with cash of rupees 90,000 and goods of 60,000. So what come into the business? Cash and goods. Goods means what? Stock. So cash is the real account. Okay. So debit what comes in. So cash account data. Goods means stock. Stock account data. To capital account. What is the name of a person? Valluvar. So cash account data, stock account data to Valluvar capital account. Now see the illustration 12. Here single page you have to write in the books of Valluvar. Journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Cash account data, stock account data to Valluvar capital account. 90,000, 60,000. 90 plus 60, total 1,50,000. You had been invested into the business. Next one, date 2, purchase 20 ready-made shirts from X and company on credit rupees 10,000. So it is a credit purchase. So simple entry, purchase account data to X and company account. Why? Purchase is an expenses. So what is the rule? Purchase is the nominal account. So what is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expense losses. So purchase is expense, so it is debited. And X and company is the personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So X and company is the giver, so it is credited. So purchase account data to X and company account 10,000. See the next one, date 3. Cash deposit into bank through cash deposit machine. You deposit the money into the bank. So what goes out from you? Cash goes out. So there are two things are there. One is bank, one is cash. So any one thing, if you understand, whether it is goes out means credited, comes in means debited. So your cash goes out, so it is credited. So automatically bank will be debited because bank receive the money. Now see the date 3. Bank account data to cash account rupees 30,000. Understand? Deposit cash into bank. From office, cash goes out. Where? To the bank. So bank is the receiver. So it is debited. Next. What is the next one? Date 4. Purchase 10 ready-made saree from Y and company by cash. What you purchase? 10 ready-made sarees. So it is also an expense from Y and company by cash. So you're paying the cash. So two things are there, purchase account and cash account, because I will not purchase on credit. So see the date 4, same entry will come. Purchase account data to cash account rupees 6,000. Understand? Because goods purchased by cash. Next one. Paid X and company through NEFT. We purchase, see the date 2. We purchase from X and company how much? 10,000 rupees of ready-made shirts. Now we are making the payment through NEFT. NEFT means through bank we are paying the amount. So our money goes out from where? Bank. Now see here, date 5. Answer, X company to bank account. From where the money goes out? From the bank. So it is credited. Because bank is what? Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. From the money goes out. So it is credited. X company means what? Personal account. Debit the receiver. So is the receiver. So it is debited. Understand? Or simply whatever goes out will be credited. Here bank, from bank the money goes out, so bank is credited. Understand? Any one way, whatever you understand, you can use it. The answer will come same. Now see the next one. Date 6. Sold 5 sarees to A and company on credit rupees 4,000. How much you sold 5 sarees to A and company on credit? So it is a credit sales, not a cash sales. When a name comes as a credit sales, only if they return by cash, then only it is cash. Otherwise it is credit. So nothing has been mentioned cash. So it is a credit sales. So credit sales means name will be debited. So A and company account data to sales account. Now check the answer. A and company account data to sales account, 4,000 rupees. Understand? Now see the date 7. A and company deposit the amount due in cash deposit machine. So what? A and company deposit the amount due in cash in the CDM. Cash deposit machine means CDM. So A and company depositing the amount. What is the date? Date 7. Now see the date 7. Bank account data to A and company. Why? The A and company is depositing the amount. So in CDM means that amount will come in our bank. So bank account data will be debited. A and company is the personal account, is the giver, so it is credited. Bank is the personal account, is the receiver, so it is debited. Understand? Now see the date 8. Date 8 question. Purchase 20 sarees. Purchase 20 sarees from Z and company and paid through debit card. We purchase the sarees, and from how we make the payment? Through the debit card. So money goes out from where? From bank. So purchase is debited and bank is credited. There are two accounts, purchase and bank. So money goes out from bank, so bank is credited. You check the answer. Date 8. Purchase account data to bank account, rupees 12,000. Now see the next one. Date 9. Stationery purchase for and paid through net banking, rupees 6,000. You purchase the stationery for the office and paid through net banking. So from where money goes out? From the bank. So bank is credited. See the answer. Stationery comes in, so stationery is debited, and from bank the amount goes out, so bank is credited. So stationery account data to bank account. Or you can say in another way also, stationery is what? Nominal account. What are the rules for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So stationery is the expense, so it is debited. And bank is what? Personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So bank is the giver, so it is credited. Understand? Or simply stationery purchase. What comes in? Stationery comes in, so it is debited. From where the money goes out? From the bank, so it is credited. Understand? Any one way you can use for doing the sum. Bank charges levied means bank do the charges, whether it is a monthly, quarterly or yearly. For both current account and saving account, they will do some charges yearly. So bank service charges we will say. So what is the last answer? C. the bank will make the charges. So bank charges is an expense for us. So it is debited. And from the where the money goes out from our bank account. So it is credited. So bank charges account data to bank account. Now see the illustration 13, journal entry of class 11. Dairy is a sole trader dealing in automobiles. From the following transaction, pass the journal entry for the month of January 2018. Now you have to prepare the journal entry. So January 1, commence business with cash. This is a very important sum, so understand it very carefully. You invested the money, cash 1 lakh rupees, goods means stock, 2 lakhs rupees of goods you had been bringing into the business, and building of rupees 5 lakhs also you had been used for the business purpose. So totally how much? 1 lakh plus 2 lakh 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 5 lakhs 8 lakhs. So total 8 lakhs rupees of capital you had been invested into the business. So what entry you have to write? See here illustration 13. First take a single page, write the heading in the books of dairy in the center of your page. Below that you have to write journal entries. Or example, you can see in the blue line you can write in the books of dairy. In the red line you can write the journal entries. Then you have to write the date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Then 2018 January 1, cash account data, stock account data, buildings account data to dairy capital account. Add all this, you will get 8 lakhs. So to dairy capital account. Dairy commence business with cash, goods and buildings. Whatever given in the question, straight away you can write in the narration. Now see the second one, purchase goods from A and company. When you purchase goods from A and company, that is credit purchase. So in credit purchase means name will be credited. So purchase account data to A and company account. See it, purchase account data to A and company 3 lakhs. Or you can use golden rules here. Purchase account, what is the purchase account? Nominal account. So nominal account means what? Debit all expenses and losses. What is A and company? Personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So A and company is the giver, so it is credited. Next one, date 3. Cash deposit into bank. When you deposit the money into the bank, what goes out? Cash goes out. So cash goes out, so it is credited. So bank is debited. See the answer. Date 3, bank account data to cash account rupees 80,000. Now see the date 4. When you see the date 4, purchase goods from B and company and payment made through credit card. You purchase goods from B and company. So what happened? You have been purchased the goods, and how you make the payment? Through the credit card. So the money goes out from the bank. So what is the entry will come? Purchase to bank, because whatever goes out from wherever goes out, that will be credited. Now see here, date 4, purchase account data debit to bank account 5,000. What is the purchase account? Expense. So nominal account. So debit all expenses and losses. Bank is the personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. From bank is the giver, so it is credited. Next, date 5. See the date 5. Paid A and company through RTGS. RTGS means real time gross settlement. It means what? Making payment through bank, like NEFT, RTGS. These are all bank transaction. Through the bank we are making the payment. So paid A and company through RTGS. So we make the payment through bank. So A and company is the receiver personal account. So debit the receiver. Who is the giver? Bank is the giver. So created. So A and company to bank account. See the date 5. A and company account data to bank account rupees 3 lakhs. Understand? Now see the date 6. Sold goods to C and company and check received rupees 50,000. We sold the goods to C and company. What received? Check. So cash account data. Now see the date 6. Cash account data to sales account. Why we return cash instead of bank? Because sales made and check receipt. We just received the cash. We just received the check, but we had been not deposited. So still we had been not deposited into the bank. It will be treated as cash. So cash account data to sales account. When we deposit into the bank, then only we have to write bank. But still we had been not deposited. So we received the check. So it will come under cash. So cash account data to sales account. Now see the date 7. Deposited the check received from C and company with the bank. So the check what we received in date 6, we deposited that check into date 7. On 7th we deposited the check what we received from C and company. Now bank will come. Now see the date 7. Now bank came. Bank account data to cash account. Next, see the 8th one. Purchase goods from Z and company and paid through debit card. So purchase account data to bank account. Why we are writing bank account? Because we make the payment through debit card. Understand? So money goes out from the bank. Bank is the giver and Z and company is the personal account. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver. So Z and company is the receiver. Now see the date 8. Purchase account data to bank account. Goods purchased by debit card. So we purchase the goods. So purchase account data to bank account. So we purchase the goods. So purchase is debited to bank account because we make the payment through bank. Understand? Now next one, date 9. Stationery purchase for and paid through net banking. We purchase the stationery and make the payment through net banking. So the money goes out from the bank. So stationery account data to bank account rupees 6,000. Understand? Last one. Income tax dairy is paid by check. So income tax has been paid through check. So through bank is when make the payment. So see the date 10. Drawings account data to bank account rupees 10,000 because bank is the giver. And why drawings came? Because it is the our own purpose, personal, owners paid income tax. That's why drawings came. Okay, understand the sum? Very good. Now see the illustration 14. Journal entry of class 11. Chandran is a sole trader. Dealings in sports item from the following transaction past journal entry in the month of March 2018. So what is selling sports item? Is dealing with the sports materials or sports items. March 1 commenced business with cash. He started business with cash how much? 4 lakhs. So what comes into business? Cash. So cash account data to capital account. See the answer? Cash account data to Chandran's capital account rupees 4 lakhs. Now see the next one. cash deposit into bank. You deposit the money into the bank. So bank is the receiver, so debit the receiver. Cash goes out, cash is the real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So bank account data to cash account. See here, you deposit the money, bank rupees 3 lakhs. So bank account data to cash account 3 lakhs. Now see the third one. Purchase goods from Ravi and payment made through net banking. You purchase the goods from Ravi, okay, and how you make the payment? Through the bank. So bank is the giver. Now see the date 3, purchase account data to bank account. So bank is the giver, so it is credited. Purchase is the nominal account expenses, so it is debited. Now see the fourth one. Sales made to Kumar, who deposit the money through CDM, means cash deposit machine. You sales made to Kumar, you done the sales, who deposits the money into CDM. So where the money comes? In your bank account. So bank account data to sales account. Now see the fourth one. Bank is the receiver, so it is debited 10,000. Sales is the nominal account. It is a revenue for the business, income for the business, so it is credited. So bank account data to sales account. Sales made and money received through CDM, that is cash deposit machine. What is the next entry? Date 5. Sales made to Vivek, who made the payment by debit card rupees 60,000. So sales made to Vivek, who made the payment by debit card. Now you had been done a sales to Vivek, who make the payment through debit card. So what comes in? Where the money comes in? In the bank. So same entry will be repeated. Bank account data to sales account, because bank is the receiver, debited, sales is the income, so credited. Next one, see the sixth one. Sold goods to Kirtana. We sold goods to whom? To Kirtana. How we make the payment? Who made the payment through credit card. So credit card also through the bank he make the payment. So in the bank the money comes in. So bank to sales. See the sixth one. Bank account data to sales account rupees 50,000. See the next one. Seventh one. Dividend directly received by bank 2000. So we received the dividend. Dividend means profit. So see the date 7. Bank account data to dividend account rupees 2000, because the in bank the money comes in. So bank account data to dividend account 2000 rupees. Next one. Date 8. Money withdrawn from ATM. You withdraw the money from the ATM. So what comes in your hand? Cash. From where the money goes out? From the bank. So bank is credited, cash debited. So whatever comes in is debited. See here, cash account data to bank account 3000. Next one, 9th. Salary paid through ECS. ECS means through bank we make the payment to our staff members. So money goes out from where? From bank. So bank is credited. So salary to bank. See the answer. Date 9. Salary account data to bank account rupees 6000. Next one. Very important entry. Cricket bat donated to a trust. Here money will not come because you done a donation. So it is the who done the donation, the proprietor, the owner of the business, or you can say donation or charity, whatever it may be. So cricket bats donated to a trust rupees 10,000. So what is the entry? Very important entry. Donation account data to purchase account rupees 10,000. Understand? Donation account data to purchase account because cricket bats donated to a trust. Now see the illustration 15. Deepak is a dealer in a stationery item from the following transaction past journal entry for the month of January and February 2018. January 1, commence business with cash. So cash account data to Deepak capital account. See the answer. Cash account data to Deepak capital account 2 lakhs. See the next one. Open a bank account by depositing the cash rupees 1 lakh. When you open an account means you deposit the money into the bank. So bank is the receiver. So is debited. From you what goes out? Cash. So money goes out. So cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash goes out. So credited. So bank account data to cash account. See the date 2. Entry bank account data to cash account because cash deposit with the bank. Next one. Date 3. A4 paper sold on credit to Padmini and Company. A4 paper sold on credit to Padmini and Company. Simple. It is what? Sold, credit sales. So name will be debited. Padmini account data to sales account. Why? Padmini is the personal account. So is the receiver, so debited. Sales is what? Nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So when we are selling something, it is a revenue for us, for the business. So it is an income, so it is credited. So what is the entry? Padmini account data to sales account. See the date 3. Padmini and Company account data to sales account. Now see the date 4. Bills received from Padmini and Company for the amount due. Bills received from Padmini and Company. Padmini and Company is 60,000 rupees. So see it. Bills receivable account data to Padmini and Company account 60,000. Next, date 5. Bills received from Padmini and Company discounted with the bank 58,000. So the bill what received by the company Padmini and Company has been discounted. Now see the date 5. Bank account data 58,000. We received 58,000 rupees, so it is debited. Discount 2,000. Total bills receivable 60,000. So out of 60, 58 received. So we allow discount 2,000. Now see the last one. Feb 15. Bills of Padmini and Company dishonored. See here. Padmini and Company account data to bank account 60,000. Bills discounted with the bank is dishonored. Means whatever the bills we received has been dishonored.